is a healthy drink. It is more delicious if it is organic, like a vegan homemade soy milk. Soy milk is such a delicious drink and healthy, and it is the best alternative to cow's milk. In this video, we're gonna be giving you a simple recipe of a homemade vegan soy milk. Procedures, ingredients, recipe, and knowledge are the things that you could get in this video. So, let's get started.
We are about to discuss the procedure in making an organic soy milk. Soak the soybeans into the water overnight. Remember that yellow soybeans is the best kind of soybeans to make a soy milk.
Procedure number 1.
Drain the soybeans and remove its outer skin. Then proceed to blend it with water. A 750 ml of water or 3 cups of water until it is well blended and it is almost smooth.
Procedure number 2.
Strain the blended or combination mixture using the nut milk bag, a cheesecloth, a napkin, or a fine mesh strainer.
Procedure number 3.
Pour the mixture into the pot or a saucepan and add 1 cup of water or 250 ml of water.
Procedure number 4.
Bring to a boil, stir, and skim foam.
Procedure number 5.
Then, cook over medium heat, stir occasionally for about 20 minutes.
Procedure number 6.
Lastly, let cool the soy milk and enjoy it.
Bonus tip!
You can add other ingredients such as vanilla extract and dates.
The ingredients. Make sure that you are in a quiet place. Again, the ingredients.
The ingredients. You only need 2 primary ingredients, the water and the soybeans. Soy milk, also known as soya milk or soy milk, is a plant-based drink produced by soaking and grinding soybeans. Boiling the mixture and filtering out remains particulates is a stable emulsion of oil, water, and protein. Its original form is a natural byproduct of the manufacture of tofu. Soy milk becomes the second most plant milk consumed after almond milk. Originating in East Asia, primarily in China, it became a common beverage in Europe and North America in the later half of the 20th century, especially as production techniques were developed to give it a taste and consistency more closely resembling of dairy milk. Along with the similar vegetable-based milks like almond and rice milk, soy milk may be used as a substitute for dairy milk by individuals who are vegan and lactose intolerant, while others may consume it for environmental or health reasons.
Be ready! Be ready! This is the knowledge that I've been talking about. Keep listening.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung nasa man po kayo. Today, we're gonna talk about what type of biomolecules that the soybean contains. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Soy milk and cow's milk provide similar amounts of protein. However, several nutritional differences exist between soy milk and cow's milk. Soy milk contains 3 grams of fiber, generally has a fewer calories and less bad cholesterol than cow's milk. Soy milk fortified with nutrients such as calcium, riboflavin, and vitamin A, D, and B12 provides an alternative to cow's milk for people with lactose intolerance or those who want to avoid animal proteins. For those who don't know what lactose intolerance is, lactose intolerance are people who are unable to fully digest the sugar or lactose in milk. As a result, they have diarrhea, gas, and bloating after eating or drinking dairy products. Next are lipids. Lipids are fat-like molecules that circulate in your bloodstream. They can be also found in cells and tissue throughout your body. Milk contains healthy unsaturated fat. A total of 40% of the calories in soy milk comes from fat. Unsaturated fat helps lower cholesterol, improve cardiovascular health, and maintain weight. Last will be carbohydrates. Do you know that 1 cup of soy milk provides 105 calories and 12 grams of carbohydrates? And do you know that the main function of carbohydrates is to provide energy through all our body? while carbohydrates are one of the three micronutrients in our diet, with their main function being to provide energy to the body. They occur in many different forms like sugar and dietary fiber, and in many different foods such as whole grains and fruits and vegetables. Well, that is for today. I hope you enjoy and have a nice day. See you again.
Did you guys enjoy watching this video? Of course you do! Wow, how ironic! Soy milk. Such a delicious and nutritious drink. You're a milk lover, right? You would probably love this. Share it to your friends.